There are many ways to make money online in 2020. You can do freelancing, dropshipping, blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, sell courses, stock trading, online courses, website flipping, micro working, online tutor, etc. There are so many things, but affiliate marketing is one of my favorite, and it can be your favorite too. And you can also start your online business sometime without investment or less cost, right? Or with investment too. So do subscribe my channel, right? If you want to learn affiliate marketing step by step, all the tutorials and training. Do subscribe my 7-figure affiliate. I am not right 6-figure or 7-figure earner in affiliate marketing, but here in my YouTube channel, I'm going to show you, right? I am documenting all of my journey. I'm going to show you how I'm scaling it. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you, right, what and why of affiliate marketing, profitable product and niches, choosing the right platforms, game plan for traffic generation. So why affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing now? So in affiliate marketing, guys, it's all about, right, selling the products, selling the product made by somebody else sometime, okay, most of the time, right? So what you're doing in affiliate marketing is you're joining a affiliate platform. It's a marketplace where there are a lot of product is available, right, from different niches and different interests. So what you're going to do is you're going to join these free platforms. I'm going to show you in a second. And once you join, you have to find a product which you can sell, promote the product, and track all the promotional activities, that is tracking the sales. And once somebody is going to buy, you'll make a commission. That means you're joining a platform, finding the product and taking those right product to the right audience, and if they buy, you'll make a commission. So why affiliate marketing model now? Why it's beautiful, right? The number one thing is you don't need to create any product. You don't need to own any product. Yes, that's very true. Just imagine, right, manufacturing any product or making a product is really hard. It is right, if it's a physical product or a digital product. But let's say if somebody else is giving you the product and telling you to market, giving all the authority to market, right? So that is affiliate marketing, right? So you don't need to buy or to sell the product too. It's a free, and you don't need to create e-commerce store. You don't need to set up a store like Amazon, right? It will cost a lot, and the startup cost is very minimal, and sometimes it's a free also. But only it's free in the startup, right? As you grow up in the business, as you know, every business needs, right, you have to invest on that to grow, right? Let's say if you're starting with a blog or website, then you have to buy the domain name. That's it. It's a very minimal cost to start your home internet business, that I'm going to show you in a second. No expenses. And one of the beauty of affiliate marketing is, guys, this is what I love, you can make passive income, right? You can make a recurring income, right? If you select the right product, you will definitely make it. I'm going to show you that. So the number one step is you have to find a niche, okay? Because there are so many niche, right? Like health and fitness, make money, wealth, like investment, entrepreneurship, softwares, relationship and dating, self-help, books and courses, right? So these are the evergreen niche, means these niches have a lot of product and everybody is buying. These are the niches connected to a pupil's desire. So there are a lot of products and you can sell any of those products. Don't need to buy, like weight loss, meditation, right? So many things are there. But before getting and selecting the niches or the product, I will highly recommend you check your interest and knowledge and expertise and hobbies. It's really important, okay? Because let's say if you don't have any knowledge about health and fitness, then how are you going to sell any product from health and fitness? If you don't have a knowledge, how are you going to target it? So it's very important to check your interest first. Let's say if you are a very good basketball player or you have a knowledge about basketball, why don't you go to this marketplace, which I'm going to show you in a second, and check whether there is a product, right? If there is a product, pick the product and you can sell it, right? So you have to subscribe my channel. I'm going to show you there are so many ways you can do affiliate marketing, everything in this channel, right? So do subscribe it. So the most important, my recommendation is going by the interest and the knowledge where you have, and checking whether there is a product to sell or not. And trust me, in affiliate marketing there is everything for everyone. Okay, or else if you're not able to find, then health and fitness or make money, relationship, dating, self-help is a right place. Now the second most important thing is, right, finding the product. Now you need a product. So here we are in the marketplace, which is known as ClickBank. This is one of the very trusted and larger marketplace. That means you can pick any product to sell, free product to sell. Look at this. These are the categories, right? Just now we are talking about niches and product. So these are the categories from where you can pick any product. There is everything for everyone. Let's say if you all want to sell something in art and entertainment, right, you just click here and it will show you all the product we have in this space, right? So same here, like art, body art, dance, fashion, whatever it is, right, in this niche. So the same thing, right, everything is there for everyone. Like if you go into education, e-business, e-marketing, right, food and wine, games, health and fitness, home garden, mobile, there are so many things you can sell this product. What you have to do for this is you have to make a free account over here, right? Just you have to make a free account. You can see this is how you can make your account. Put all the details over here. If you have a Facebook account or a Gmail account, the same way you can make this free account. They are not going to ask you any details or all those things. I'm not going depth into this. I'm going to show you everything about the ClickBank marketplace journey and everything, not in this video, in my upcoming videos. I'm just touching it right now. So ClickBank is one of my trusted market. There are so many marketplace, and one of them is like Warrior Plus. Here also this is one of the trusted, and there are a lot of product with them. Okay, it's also going to allow you to free sign up. You can see you can do the free sign up over here, and then this is a marketplace. You can sell lot of product from here also. The same thing, another marketplace is JVZoo. You don't need to join everywhere. Try to connect with ClickBank first, and then try this some of these. All are free, by the way. Okay, you can create it. Okay, JVZoo is amazing marketplace for you can join here also. Okay, just very simple. Once if you join, you can select the product from the categories, and I will make another videos in upcoming, right? So do subscribe my channel for this, right, so that you can get all of this. So guys, once if you selected the product, guys, what are the next steps? Now you have to understand the real affiliate marketing, how the affiliate marketing model work. So what I'm showing you guys, if you go to the internet, guys, in Google or YouTube, there are so many ways people are promoting these things. Okay, some are misleading you, but this what I'm showing you right now in front of you is the right way to make money with affiliate marketing. So here is a traffic, guys. Traffic can be free traffic, paid traffic. I'm going to show you in a second. So those traffics will be redirected to a landing page. Okay, this is known as a landing page or a opt-in page, where you're going to capture the emails. Okay, you will capture the emails. Then this landing page goes to a thank you page, when you say thank you for the sign up, because they are giving you their email. Email is one of the real asset if you're working in online. Okay, and these people from thank you page, they will be redirected to the offer. If they buy here, you'll make a commission. If they don't buy, right, you'll not make any commission from here. Okay, and if they're not buying in the first time, right, you have their email, so that you can build a lot of good relationship. You can provide values, or as well as, right, you can remind them about this product where you send the product which you mentioned here. Okay, so this is real way of doing affiliate marketing. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to clear you more, give you the more clarity about this. Okay, here can be your website, your YouTube video. There are so many things. Okay, but this is the real way: sending the traffic, capturing the emails, then sending them directly to the thank you page, then offer, then profit. Email capturing is really important. So now, what are the traffic ways? What are the different traffics? So the first thing is the free traffic platforms. Okay, that I'm going to make a different video on paid traffic, because that's completely different. My upcoming video is completely about the paid traffic. So right now you can see the free traffic platforms. So creating your blog or website or YouTube or a social media like Instagram, Facebook or something like that. Okay, So it's all about creating a niche based website or creating a YouTube. You don't need to create everything, guys. That's what I did in first 3 years when I started right affiliate marketing, or when I trying to make money online. I was jumping here and there, like it's called signing object syndrome. It's not about that. Pick one where you have interest. I'm not good at blog and website, but I'm very good in video marketing, that is with YouTube. So I picked YouTube. So I created a niche based YouTube channel where I started putting a lot of values around the niche, giving values, tips, right, questions, answers, right, on that particular. Let's say you're creating a YouTube channel or a blog or a Instagram page where you are putting a lot of values, right, solving the problems of the pupils, right, giving the solution, benefits, or comparing the different products. Okay, and that's how you create. It's completely free. Creating a YouTube channel is completely free. Starting an Instagram page is completely free. Facebook, or anything, right? Even the blog is very minimal. If you're starting a blog, if you're a kind of a guy who love to write, you can start with a blog, because content marketing is amazingly going to help you in a period of a time, right? In affiliate marketing, it will take time, but definitely going to give you, right, a lot of good money, allow you to provide values to your audience and build a relationship. So your visitors and subscribers are completely free. I'm going to show you everything, guys, how to do this all right in upcoming videos. Here I'm just touching it, right? You can do it, right? And you can build trust and relationship, because if you are there in YouTube, if your voice is there, if you're not ready to show your face, it's okay, it's fine, right? You can still build a trust and relationship. You don't need many subscribers and audience. Remember, guys, even if you're starting a YouTube channel or a blog, you don't need a lot of subscribers and audience and followers in your page to make money. Okay, you need a relevant and a right audience to according to that niche based website. If it can be a weight loss, it can be make money, whatever the niche, the product you want to sell. Okay, or making your YouTube videos or a blog one time will give you passive income. Once if you're able to create a YouTube video, right, on weight loss product or something, it will be there, and whenever people will watch, whenever people will do search engine optimization, you can show your YouTube video by ranking your blog or YouTube. So guys, here I am, right, typing weight loss in YouTube. So you can see the moment I type weight loss, you can see so many videos are there, guys. You don't need to show your faces, guys. You don't need that, right? You just can record the screen, like how I'm recording the screen and putting this content. Look at this video. Look at this. Helping men fighting belly fat. 1 year back this video is uploaded here, got 5.3 million views, guys. That means 5.3 relevant people came here, watched this video, and made and the person who is given the affiliate link that I'm going to show you in a second made money. Look at this video 10 months back, 14k views. Trust me, guys, if it is a paid marketing like Google or Facebook ad, you have to pay a lot of money to get these kinds of views. 2 years back, and you can see some of the videos, right? You can see here 4 years back, 9.1 million views this channel has got. Okay, so what they showed, right, just a video. Some of this video doesn't have people also, guys. They're just recording the screen and putting here, right? Look at this, creating a cartoon and all those things. Okay, they're not showing the face. That 2 years back they uploaded this video, right, and they got 3.3 million views. Okay, so this is the free traffic, guys. Weight loss, any niche, you can do this, right? When I started long back, I also created a channel which is known as Fat Loss Ball. Right now I'm not working, I left this channel, but when I started, look at this guy, I did the same thing. I started uploading videos, okay, how to start getting fitter. Okay, it got 1k views, guys, 1000 views. Trust me, guys, this 1000 views and 800 views, 700 views which I got it in this videos, this is just a screen recording videos. Okay, look at this video. Okay, so right now you can see these videos are running, just a screen. Okay, I'm not showing the face, I'm just giving the information, recording my voice. Okay, and now what I did in the description, I have given the affiliate links. Look at this. In the description, people are giving the affiliate links. These links you are collecting from the marketplace which I showed you. I will show you more depth. If you subscribe my channel, I'm going to go step by step. I'm also going to share you my results, right? I'm going to show you my everything what I did. It's just very simple. Free traffic, guys. Once if you click this, it will take to this page known as, this is one of the affiliate product, guys, with from ClickBank. Okay, you will get this product in ClickBank. Simple, guys. If they buy, they'll make a commission. This is how with the video. Same thing, guys. If you type in weight loss in Google, right? These are the website which is ranking here in the search engine result page of the Google, right? They are getting a lot of good traffic. Okay, once if you open, you can see they're writing blogs. That means providing values. Okay, not selling directly. Okay, they provide values. They're giving the information and then also putting their affiliate links, okay, in this. It's very simple, right? Healthline is, right, whenever you type anything related to health and wellness, you will see this, right? Healthline, it's ranking everywhere. Okay, so a lot of putting contents, providing values and selling your products. So guys, once if you upload your videos and ranked on the video platform YouTube, or if you're able to rank your blogs in your through SEO, search engine optimization, that I'm going to show you in my upcoming videos, right? So do subscribe it for it, right? So one time if you do that, you'll make a passive income, guys. Not everybody can make a passive income, but affiliate marketing is a place where you make passive income. So what next, right? Take action. If you watch a lot of motivational videos and this information videos, tutorials and training, if you don't do it, right, you will not succeed. So find the first thing what you have to do is find out your niche. Don't just jump into the evergreen niches. Find out, do the research, think about it, what makes you a lot of interest, okay? Or else if you're not able to find out, you can select any of those niches, okay, because it's connected to human desire, that everybody can fit on that. Health and wellness, make money online, or relationship niches, self-help, life, law of attraction, all those products will be there. The second step is, guys, go and make your account in ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, wherever you like it. I will recommend you to start with ClickBank, right? Affiliate programs, and then choose the right platform to sell, like YouTube. I don't know, right? You can do you can create a videos. That's up to you. You may be good at writing a blogs, right? So you can start a blog, right? Just buying a domain name. It's very cheap, guys. You can buy with Bluehost. Okay, it's very cheap, maybe $4. Or sometime if you're starting YouTube, you don't need money. You can also do affiliate marketing with social media like Instagram, that I'm going to show you in some other video, going depth of it, right? And start creating contents or valuables. That's how what I showed you, the videos, okay, or maybe the blogs. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to create videos and rank in the YouTube. Okay, it's very easy. So do subscribe it for it. And one of the key thing is subscribe my channel, right, for sure, to see all those things, right? Yeah, and if you need any help, right, to do this process from beginning to end, comment me down, right, how you like this video, and do subscribe my channel for step-by-step training, guys. I'm going to show you everything to start your affiliate marketing. I'm also going to share my results with you in 7-figure affiliate. So get ready, take the actions, and do subscribe, comment, give the likes, and let me know what you think about it. Have a great day.